Hello everyone. Welcome back to our new video. Today, I'll guide you through how to change the background color of a Google Doc. If you've been searching for a way to add background color to a specific Google Doc file, you've come to the right place. But before we get started, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials and tips. Now, let's start. To change the background color in the Google Docs page, first of all, open Google Docs on your computer using any of the web browsers. Now, create a new document or open the existing doc file where you want to change the background color. Once you are in the Google Doc file, look at the menu items at the top of the screen and click on File. A drop-down menu appears. From the drop-down menu, select Page Setup. A new dialog appears on the screen for Page Setup. Look for the Page Color option. Now, click on the color box below the page color to open the color palette. From the color grid, you can select a predefined color or click on the plus button to create a custom color. After selecting your desired color, click OK to apply the selected background color to your document pages. By following these simple steps, you can easily change the page background color of your Google Docs document.